Today I reached into the box of locks that I received from my buddy and brother still Pinnings, and I picked out, reached in and grabbed this. This is a Bacardi, and I believe it's number 16. It's an Arrow KIK. Skiway, typical Bacardi bidding, and it works nice and smoothly. I'm going to set it in my vise. But before I pick this, I want to wish a special young lady happy birthday. Today's her birthday. I'm not going to mention any names because I don't have the permission to do so. But she should have received something I sent her. I sang her a song with the permission of her husband, and it was a song for her through her husband, from her husband, kind of like through me. But enough babbling. Let's see if we can get into this Bacardi lock. All right. Excuse me. I'm going to use this 23 thousandths, and I'm always saying it wrong. Praxis, not like practice, but Praxis set. That was given to me so generously by Big Willie the Locksmith, along with all the other great stuff. Big Willie, if you're watching, thank you again so much for this, man. All right, so let's see if I can get into this. That was 5. Got a full set on 5. Click on 3, 2, and 1 sees me up. So that means let's go back to 5, where I got the full set. I'm moving forward, and everything's giving me clicks and clacks. I love Bill Bacardi's locks, man. Excuse me. The man is a locksmith, very generous to the community. I mean, he's an awesome guy. That was 4, 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 again. All right. Nice full set there with the 5 again. With 5 again. Allergies are killing me, man. Among everything else. Ooh, nice there. That was, let's see if I'm on 2. That was 3. Must be a T-pen. Or a heck of a spool. And there we go. Tapped on 1, and it opened up. Bacardi, man, you're great with these locks. I love your locks, man. Set it down here. I apologize if I'm constantly clearing my throat. I'm loving that vice. Like all my other vices. Nah, just kidding. But yeah, that vice is awesome. I still have yet to figure out what's wrong with this. It won't go. I'm going to have to remove that top if I can and drop all the pins. Yeah, get that fixed. But that's not what we're here for. Get over here like that. What we got here? Oh yes. I had one of those doodads. It's right here. I'm like Pick Me. I hate locking the lock up just to remove a clip. And you go through all that trouble picking it, you know. Okay. Means it's a challenge lock and a Bill Bacardi lock. I mean, the guy is a locksmith, for crying out loud. Yeah. If anyone, he knows what he's doing. It won't go all the way in. It might be an indication of a T-pin. So, what I's gonna do, here it is. Oh no, that's not it. What the heck is it? I had to get one of these followers that had a hollow thing there so that I can get inside. Get inside of this. That's not gonna work. Oh man. No, it's not gonna work. I had a black one. Just give me a minute, please. Aha, here it is. It was on my, excuse me, it was on my, oh, come on. There we go. Got it. All right, let's see what we got here. We got all kinds of alien technology here. Let's stick the key in, see what we got. Holy Toledo. All 6 are populated. And I thought it was a 5-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, son of a gun. He had the 6-pin riding at the end. Yeah. Beautiful though. And you see, let me grab my trusty pointer, which is a screwdriver. Got threaded there. Looks like maybe threaded there. That chamber's nothing done. That might be either threaded and or counter mill. Nothing, and threaded there. But we shall be able to see exactly what we have as we dump the pins. Okay, I'll show you and describe you what they are here in a minute. Come on, baby, come on. Yeah, I was right. For once. So 2 and 4, nothing done. I mean, Yeah, 2 and 4, nothing done. 1, 3, 5, and 6 threaded. Okay. I need to get a camera someday. When my dead uncle dies, my rich uncle dies and leaves me money. All right. So here we have number 1. We have a spool serrated T-pen or key pen. A spool on number 2. Number 3 is a double spool. Number 4 is a spool serrated. This one here, it's a spool, but I don't know if I can bring it up. I have to do this because it's really neat what he's done. I mean, they really got to show off these pens. They take their time to make it, you know. But anyhow, the very top is serrated, and within the spool, you can't tell, but it's like step down, almost like a wedding cake, right in there, which is pretty cool. And I imagine tough to do if you're not, you know, used to doing it. Look at that baby. That looks like a spool mushroom, like a mushroom spool. A really sharp edge on top there. And I believe it's, I'm trying to look through the camera and do this. Okay. And it looks like it's really sharp and small diameter there on number 6. Okay. Let's like that. This is what I don't like about these followers, the hollow ones. I should have put paper towel in there. Okay, never mind. And okay, so number 1. Come on, baby. Number 1 driver is T-pen. Come on. Don't be shy. It only hurts for a little bit. Number 2. It's a beveled spool. And it looks like it may have serrations in the center like I showed you the other ones. Like I showed you number 6. I'm sorry, it's deep. Brass and copper and copper spring on both. 1 and 2 driver. A double spool. Some people may call it serrations, but it looks spool to me because it's deep. Come on, baby. I'm having trouble because he took the time. Mr. Bacardi took the time. All right, I'll get that at the end. Doesn't want to come out. I'm not going to fight. Oh man, again, nice nice spool, very sharp on the top, narrow diameter on the top, and again, unless I need better glasses, the spool itself inside is serrated. Another beautiful spool. And these are looking almost, when I say bevel, like a 45-degree angle. Almost like a half mushroom, if you know what I mean. Oh, this one's not hard to explain. Guess that one is standard. Okay. Now get these springs out. Oops, sorry. Come on. Okay. That one's copper. I believe they're all copper, maybe, but different tightness, or as I like to call it, they're bound differently. Like that one. This one is loosely, but it's tight in the center. You see that? I'll have a few of those. And I really don't mind or care how long my videos are. Especially showing off these beautiful pins that Bill Bacardi make. And yeah, when a lock maker takes their time, I mean, to make these locks, you know, it takes some time. Okay, so I see threading, and he pulled out, oh, he pulled one of my tricks. All right, number 6 is fully threaded, and 6 is fully threaded. 5 looks like it might be it looks fully threaded. I thought it looked like it was half threaded, and I believe it still is. Number 4 looks like it's partially threaded. Let's go this way. 1, 2, completely threaded. 3 looks like it's partially threaded. Not as deep, but that's what we have in this lock. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful pins, Mr. Bacardi. I want to thank my brother Steel Pinnings for sending me this awesome package that contained this lock. I also want to thank Mr. Bacardi for making this lock and sending it out to the community. I don't like to hold on to too many locks, only if they're special, and if the person is special to me, which Bill Bacardi is. So this lock may stay in my collection. But with that being said, this is the end of the road. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining me in this adventure with this lock. Bill Bacardi, thank you so much for pinning it and sending it out. Still Pinnings, thanks a lot, my brother, for the package and the lock and all the other neat stuff you got me there. Everyone, please be safe, stay legal, and as always, stay calm and pick on. And happy birthday to the special lady. She knows who she is. All right, everyone. Bye-bye.